New Year to everybody. So today I'm going to wash this sleeping bag in my washing machine and dryer. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this in like that. Make sure these are in there. And then all I'm going to use is some fairy product. Sorry about the lighting. It does smell very nice. And then I'll just tap that in. And then I just press the start button and off it goes. And now I'm going to just leave it in a washing machine. So now that's going to be on for at least 20 minutes. So yeah, it's in there now, so I'm going to leave it alone now. So yeah, so what I've done is I've quickly put the sleeping bag in there. It's now going to be on a cycle now. So sleeping bag I've just got, I've shoved it in there. So all I do now is washing machine's on, and it's going to be on for at least 20 minutes or so. Give this a good wash. So yeah, this will be on for a little while. Yeah, and it starts to spin as well quite quick. You can see that as well. And the lighting, sorry about the lighting, it's not so bright. Right, I'll leave that alone. Oh wow, I've got 4 people on and 1 like already. So yeah, what I've done is I've just whacked in my sleeping bag and then I've just put it in a washing machine. That's the only way you could wash it, or you can just put it in a bathtub. You can always do it that way. So yeah, this is going to be on for a little while. So yeah, it will take a little while. You don't want to put the washing machine on a too high setting, or it will just burn it. So I'll just put it on a medium wash, and then it should be good to go. So all I did is I put the sleeping bag in the drum, and then one of those little capsules, just whack it in, and then just turn it on. But this is a washing machine and a dryer at the same time. So on the last cycle, it will then heat it up, and then by the time I get it out, it's all steaming hot, and then just leave it on the sofa spread out. So, hi, how was your weekend? Hiya, James. How was your weekend? Yeah, it was all good, mate. Working for Planet Ice. Now that it's calmed down after Christmas, so yeah, it's a lot better now. There's a lot more calmer, but yeah. But this week I'm not working, so obviously it's not so busy as usual. But I should get a message on the Plan Day site to say how it is. So if I get a message, I'll just call up and then I'll just go. It looks okay, but I'm still. You're still grounded. It's okay. What's happened to you then? Something happened. Sorry, I'm coughing in the background. I've got 2 likes. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, James, what happened to you, mate? You said you grounded for some reason. I don't know what happened. Well, coming downstairs, not wearing anything. Oh, ouch. Was that your parents' family did that? Because you wasn't wearing anything. Blimey. That's not good. So how long are you grounded for, mate? Yes. Family, I bet. Yeah. Yeah. Coming down the stairs with nothing on. God. How long for? 2 weeks? Oh, blimey. God. Parents, eh? Oh, I hate parents when they do that. That is awful. What are you going to do in the meantime then? You got anything planned for this month or this year? What you're up to? Got anything good? No, washing machine's now on spin and rinse. I don't know yet. Oh, fair play, mate. Fair play. Yeah. It's too early to tell. But I'm sure you will find something to do. With me, I don't know when the events are starting up, so I'll be going to a couple of them very soon. So, yeah. So I'll find out on Facebook what's going on in MK. See if there's any events I need to help out as usual. So I'll have a look. Oh, gone. Sorry, I moved the camera. Sorry, I moved it. My younger brother said that I can't be doing that. Oh, that's no good. Yeah, you just cut off there, James, for a second, and then you just came back on because there was like at least 3 or 4 of you, and it just went down to 0, and then I think you just popped back on. Sorry about the bright light now. Just doing a rinse. It's going to be on spin. Don't know if you can actually see that on camera. It's not very good because the bright light. Not enough lighting around here. Sorry about the camera. Would you have grounded me if you was my dad? I wouldn't do that. I would just say, you know, just do what you gotta do. I bet you were like looking for some spare clothes when you were downstairs. I'd just say put some clothes on and that's it. Oh, you're welcome, mate. You're welcome, James. Anytime. But I would not be so harsh as your dad or brother or sister, whoever said that to you. That's not very nice what they said. Why would they ground you for? That is unacceptable, I'd say. Oh, washing machine's going to go for a spin. Oh, there's three of you. Oh, no, two of you now. 2 likes, thank you very much, guys. Because I got this sleeping bag on Freecycle the other week last week. So he said just put it in the wash when you get it. But he said it was a kid's one. But actually, when I got it out and opened it, it was actually an adult mummy design in like a dye blue and purple design. And it's been left in his like garage or shed. It hasn't used it for a long time. And he also gave me an iPad mini as well, which was security locked, so I thought I'll play around with that as well. Oh, car. Oh, James, you just come back on, did you? You keep cutting off. Now it's going to go for a spin, and then it's going to go on the dry setting, the heat setting. Overall, it should take about 20 minutes or so to complete this. This is the best way to do your sleeping bags. This is how I mainly do it. it does. Oh, okay. Same here. Yeah, it must be a reaction you're getting then. I've got 3 likes for doing this. Oh, thank you so much. Let's stop it spinning. Now it's just going to heat the sleeping bag up and just dry it off. And then as soon as I open that drum door there, you'll see the stain just coming up. Because this is a washer and dryer. So yeah. I thought that I was still wearing pyjamas. Ah, well, if you're not comfortable with it, James, then what can you do? I've had that. I think it's what they've washed it in. Go for the Fairy Bio liquid tabs. I think you've got sensitive skin like me. Just use that. Because if they, I think that what they've done is they've washed your clothing with Ariel product, and it's just making you itch. You got like a sensitive skin issue. I think that's what your problem is. Because I've done that as well. I think mum and dad did washing of my clothes and put it in a Ariel product in there, and it just made me itch. My skin was so red and everything, so I had a reaction for Ariel. So if you do your washing again, just put in a Bio Fairy liquid, and it's for sensitive skin in a blue box. just get those and then do your washing again and do your pyjamas again, and you will notice a massive difference. I think it's the sensation of the skin that's really sensitive. I think you got sensitive skin, mate. That's what I think it is. Yeah. Or just wearing normal clothing is an issue. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's what it is. It's just your washing liquid or tabs or powder you've used, that family have used, that's what's made you itch. That's alright, you're welcome. Anytime. I've gone through it myself. Sorry. Gonna hold the camera. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I think that's what your problem is, James. So I'm holding the camera there. Yeah, so yeah, try that and see what happens. Hopefully that will sort your problem out. I will I will let my parents know. Yeah, see what you think. And if it doesn't work, then try a different product. But yeah, if you've got that sensitive skin issue, just use Fairy Bio sensitive skin liquid or the tabs or the powder, depending what you get. Yeah, always shop, just shop around, you'll find it. They come in a small blue box or a large blue box, depending on how much washing you do. Like I do, I just do it now and then. That's what I mainly use. It's time to eat and after that I got homework to do. Okay, mate. Completely understand schoolwork can be annoying. Damn schoolwork, homework stuff. I hate that. Oh, well done. Right, I think we're done there. It's just going to be a couple of seconds. And when it goes beep, I can get it. Okay then guys, that is now done. So what I'm going to do is open the drum. You see it's just there. There we go, now it's done. And then just pull it out. But this is very hot now. This is steaming hot. There we go. Done, look at that. Sleeping bag. Done. Washed and dried at the same time. Done. There we go. I'm just gonna put this on the sofa to dry up, and then I'll see you guys soon for another video. Okay then guys, feel free to give us that like, subscribe, and of course make a comment if you wish. You don't have to, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye for now.